Welcome to the Sanjeevani Learning Management System. So today's session I am going to explain how to add a Blue button. Okay. So now this is my front page of the my entire Sanjeevani LMS one now. So here I created all the content of my software testing and quality assurance subject one. So now in that one, first step is there. You have to perform. You have to just perform the turn editing on. So here go to the this gearbox and just make turn editing on. After making the turn editing on, you have to go which location you want to create it now. Okay, so go to the add an activity one now. Just click on the add an activity. Add an activities. This is a third activity called as the blue view button BN. Select this one and just add it. After adding, just give whatever your session name is there, and also you can specify your date also. So this session is what now my STQA. So STQA session, and which date suppose I am conducting. Suppose my date I am just specify. You are convenient, you can specify here. User student can easily understood now. Okay, suppose I am given STQA session one, you can type, or video session you can also type. So whatever you comfort that you can type it on. So STQA session date I specify. Then next important thing, when we want to schedule this one now. So schedule for the session one now. So scheduling of the session, first enable this button. So as soon as you enable one now, specify your time. So this is the date one, and when you have to specify, I am conducting this session for suppose I am taking current time one now, and up to this session will be that is this session will be 1 hour. So I am again first just enable this button and just select the time. So I am selecting this time now. So up to this my session I scheduling one now. Okay, so after completion of all these things, so what we did, we virtual classroom name we provided, and here we provided schedule for the session. So that two part you have to perform in blue button, and just save and return to the course. Yeah, so as soon as you completed this, you can view your this blue button one now. But student is also trouble to how to go from front pages, all these things. So better way, just you put this one, you can add in announcement section. So just select it now, plus line, and with the help of arrow you can drag it now. Okay, so which location you want to provide it, which location is correct one, so you can, according to that you can put this blue button. So now I want this blue button at the front side. Okay, you can add here front side, as well as suppose you want in announcement, so double click on announcement, here also we can add it. So this is my blue button. So when user logging through your course one, so user easily understood, yes, so this is particular faculty session is included one now. So this is the way of adding session, as well as how should we drag your session, how should we blue button we drag. So just pick it this plus sign. Okay, and as soon as you picking this plus sign, so you can put anywhere now. So preferably put in announcement, or your convenient here you can put on top page, but announcement is a correct place to student can knows a good way. Okay, so now after that, click on this session one now, click on this button one now. So here you can view, what you can view now, already I schedule my time is started. So you can join session will be there, remember it now, whichever time your schedule one now. So we knows now we schedule our time is what, 7:52. So then and then this join session button will be appear. So click on the join session button. After clicking this join session button one now, so you are connecting through blue button for conducting your online session one now. So such a screen will be appear as soon as you connect through big blue button. Then in that one, yeah, such a screen will be appeared. In that one you are going to deliver session. So select microphone one now, just here make the allow one, access to allow one now. Okay, such a screen will be appear, and first will be connecting to the eco test, so everything is connected. So just click on this
You are currently the only person in this conference.
and you can see such a types of screen appear on your desktop one now. So you can here what you can see now here all the users, this left side you can see one now. Okay, number of user, how many number of users you are connected on now, and public chat is there also available. So through chatting you can confirm is it my voice is audible or not. Through chatting you can also confirm session understood or not. So you can chatting through you can perform one now. So next thing is this is the first thing. Then suppose you want to upload your presentation one, just click on action one and upload your presentation. So here you can upload your presentation, go to the browse file one now. Okay, so whichever presentation is there, so just you have to take it now. Suppose I am taking my first unit presentation one, that is the unit number one and introduction. I am selecting one now. So this PPT is going to upload. Just click the upload one now. So my this PPT will be uploaded on my view button one now. So as soon as you upload one now, you can visible your presentation on view button. So it's take a few minutes. Okay, depends on your size. Yeah, my presentation is big, so that's why it's taking the time. But according to that, you can do it one now. Yeah, it's connecting again. I'm made a refresh one now. Yeah, when we made a reflection one, and again my current presentation default will be there. So just click it. Okay, if any problem occurred, again you have to click this way. Again it's showing the
You are
connecting.
currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, then again we connected through this conference. Okay, now just we have I'm explaining to what now uploading the presentation one now. So I'm going to upload my presentation one now. Okay, so this is my introduction one. Just make the just confirm one now presentation. Okay, and here you can view my presentation one now. Here options also present. Okay, so these are the options present now. So now I am showing my slide selection. So select slide selection one. Okay, slide number one I am just showing. I want to go. Okay, yeah. So this slide is basically blank one now. Okay, select which presentation you want. Okay, I made this one a default one. Okay, now my presentation is going to start. So you can visible my presentation here for now. So I uploaded my presentation and you can view my presentation one. And suppose I want to share my screen one now. So right hand side you can view this one now. So with the help of this you can share your screen one now. Just click here. Okay, and click here now and just make the share screen one now. So with the help of this we can share your screen, and such a arrow will be occurring means what your sharing has started. So these way I made my screen shareable one now. So I hope now each and every faculty now each and every one understood how should we use the blue button. And suppose I want to stop my sharing of the screen, so just click on the stop sharing one now. Okay, and after this suppose I want to end my session, so here just click it now and just make the logout. I hope so this way I hope each and every faculty now understood how should we use the blue button. Thank you very much for watching this video.